The OSI model, International Organization for Standardization, ISO, is established in 1947. The ISO is a multinational body dedicated to a worldwide agreement of international standards. An ISO that covers all aspects of network communication to the open system interconnections of OSI model. The OSI model, that is Open Systems Interconnection, was introduced in late 1970s. ISO is the Organization for Standardization. OSI, Open Systems Interconnection, is the model. Open system. An open system is a set of protocols that allows any two different systems to communicate regardless of their underlying architecture. The purpose of the OSI model is to show how to facilitate communication between different systems without requiring change to the underlying hardware or software. The OSI model is not a protocol, it is a model for understanding and designing a network architecture that is flexible, robust, and interoperable. The OSI model is the basics for the creation of the protocols in OSI stack. The OSI model is a layered framework for the design of network systems that allow communication between all type of computer systems. It consists of 7 separate but related layers, each of which defines a part of the process of moving information across network. It is given in the figure, the 7 layers. Layer 1, physical layer. Layer 2, data link layer. Layer 3, network layer. Layer 4, transport layer. Layer 5, session layer. Layer 6, presentation layer. Layer 7, application layer. OSI model versus the TCP IP model. The application layer in the suite, TCP IP suite, is usually considered to be the combination of the 3 layers in the OSI model. See the application layer. In the OSI model, it is of 3 layers: application layer, presentation layer, and session layer. These 3 layers work is done in the application layer of the TCP IP protocol suite. The other layers, physical and data link layer, it is similar to the OSI model, and the network layer, both internet protocols, both the model is having, and transport layer, it has several transport layer protocols. Only the application, presentation, and session in the OSI model is combined together as a application layer in the TCP IP protocol suite. The 2 reasons for the TCP IP, it has, first one, it has more than one transport layer protocol. Some of the functionalities of the session layer are available in the transport layer protocols. So in the OSI model, session layer is there. So some of its functionalities are in the transport layer of the TCP IP protocols. And next, the application layer is not only a piece of software, many applications can be developed at this layer. The lack of OSI model success. OSI model was completed when TCP IP was fully in place. So OSI is developed after TCP IP. So before that, TCP IP was fully used by network communication. And in the OSI model, some layers were never fully defined. So there is not a success OSI model. Since now and then, the TCP/IP is highlighted. And OSI was implemented by an organization in a different application. It did not show a high enough level of performance. So TCP/IP model was still in use and it is of success.